What's going on, everybody? RC Propaganda here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video, I want to unbox a little something that I got. So a little background here. I've been kind of getting into getting some figures for all my scale crawlers. And I've been on the search and I haven't really found too many, but recently I've kind of come across a few things. You can see my other guys I have here. I got this little Chucky. He's really sweet. Got him a few weeks ago. And what I like about him is the way he can articulate, his hands move, and they come with like all kinds of cool things. So you got little knives, he came with a gun. So I took that gun, and I gave it to Heisenberg here. Oh, where is it? Here it is. So I got this set up here quite some time ago, but the problem is it's static. It doesn't move. His legs don't move. So I can kind of only use him for pictures. So kind of since I've got him, I've been looking around, and then I just found this Chucky, but they are a little pricey. This little guy was $30, but the detail is super good. And just to show you guys, I don't really give a crap. Look at that, I ripped his head right off. No, it comes off. He comes with different heads and all kinds of little things, different hands, so you can do different things. I got a really cool axe. So, I mean, it comes with a few extra little gadgets, but all the stores I go to, Goodwill and all that, they never have anything. And the wrestling figures are really not all that great. So, after getting Chucky, it's from a company called Neca. That's where Chucky's from. This Walmart that I go to, they've had a few other figures in that same kind of category. So I went ahead and I picked up this here. So I'll show you. You can probably see, it says Nightmare on Elm Street on the box there. And then look at what I got in there. Freddy Krueger. So he looks really cool. You can see here, it comes with all the little different accessories, different faces. The box is really cool. It's almost a shame to even open it. I kind of hate how I gotta open these, but that's what I'm gonna do. That's why you want to play with it. But these figures are really cool. Really like it. It's made by, I think it's pronounced Neca, N-E-C-A. They make a lot of nice stuff. They got some pretty crazy figures. The Chucky worked good because of the size, so I went with this one. I think they advertised these as 8 inches, and we'll get this out and get a rig out here, and you can check it out. So I'm just gonna pop this thing out here. There it is. Put that aside. And let's just get the main figure out. He does have these little things in the back I have to cut. Let's get my little cutters here. Cut them out. Oh yeah, feels cool. So legs are in there kind of. Okay. Man, they package these things so good. Oh look, he's got the knife hands as well. So here's just the figure. Okay, so he's of good height. Look at though, he looks super detailed. See his arms move. So you could put his arms up and you could probably get him to grip a steering wheel. It wouldn't be super natural, but you know, you can get these ones in the sitting position so you can get them in, which is nice, even if you have to cut them, which I really don't want to do to any of my figures, but if I have to, I will. Wow, the shirt, it's like a separate shirt. You know what, I think it comes off because it doesn't look like he has sleeves, his head. Yeah, so you can pull his head off. And let's see, does his shirt come off? No, he doesn't have any. That's just weird. The shirt is like kind of like a separate piece from the arms, I guess. Let's pop his head back on. That's kind of funny how his head goes. Okay, he's kind of got a long neck, but look at how cool he looks. He stands up really nice. He's got the fingers. So let's see his height next to Heisenberg. Okay, so he's a little bit taller than Heisenberg. So yeah, I really like it. Super detailed. Goes along good with Chucky. I'm kind of getting a scary movie vibe thing here going on, which is kind of funny because I'm not a scary movie fan at all. Let's get to some of these accessory things. So here's another head that he's got. Look at that, Dad Larry. Just a different face. Here's another one. This one is super freaky. This last one is like a little skin or something you can put over. Let's see if it goes over his face. Maybe it doesn't on none of those ones. It doesn't look like it wants to. Huh. That's weird. Oh, there we go. Kind of goes like that. Look, that he's got like a little girl face thing going. I don't know what that face is. Look at that thing. Let's see. Okay. Oh, things went flying. I lost a hand. I got a phone. Let's get his hat. I really like the hat. I gotta find that hand. Got it. Okay, so here he comes with a phone. It's got like a tongue or something sticking out on the bottom of it. And then I don't know what this hand is. I don't really know these movies very, very well, so I'm not really familiar with what everything is. Let's just get his hat on. Yeah, that's the best. He definitely looks best with the hat. Look at him. Yeah. I don't even know what he says. My sister used to really like these movies. But that is it. That is him. I just kind of wanted to show these figures really quick. I'm going to start trying to grab more of these. All right, well, that is it on the unboxing of this guy. Let's get a rig over here just to get the height. So we'll get my truck here and see. Now this looks pretty realistic with him next to there. Now sitting in there, he'd be definitely a large guy. I don't think he'd fit. I'm not sure because that's my interior. Like, you know, I might have to cut right here, but I don't know. For now, I'm just going to keep him like this for pictures because I already got a figure for a driver in here. So that's kind of more or less what he's going to be, but you can kind of see. Let's get the tape measure here. And yeah, see, he's about 7.5 inches. Let's take his hat off and measure him that way. So from the top of his head, yeah, is actually just under 7 inches, which is weird because I've seen him advertised at 8 inches, but that's good to know. That's just a really good height on him there. It's just under 7 inches. So, you know, you got to figure, I like to think of it tires. I'm not very tall, but I know a 40-inch tire is definitely going to be above my waist. So that's good because Freddy's kind of on the taller side. And then look, he kind of comes up. You can almost reach his door handle. You know, you got to think if you had a truck that was on like 37-inch tires, 40-inch tires, and lifted, the door handle will probably be pretty tall. I'm not sure, but there he is. That's what it looks like up against the rig. So let's get these other guys out. Here's this guy, and then Chucky. So I got these guys working on the scene here. Okay guys, that is going to be it for this video. I just wanted to unbox that Freddy really quick. I thought that was cool. Let me know down in the comments if you like these kind of videos and seeing things like this. Also, let me know what you guys use for driver figures. What's your go-to figure? Do you have a place you like to get them, or do you not even really care? Before you go, don't forget, hit the like button, leave me a comment on what you think of some of these action figures, and you know the deal. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.